Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Simmons-Machota, and today I'm going to walk you through how to get into Everfi to do your honor code. When you're here, you're going to click on this Everfi tab to open it up. You're going to come up here and click Student Teacher Login. Scroll down here to this A+. You're going to be registering for the first time if you do not have an account. If you do have an account, you would just sign in with your Google username and password that you set up. But if this is your first time here, you're going to click Register. It's going to ask you for your registration code. So you're going to come back. You're going to copy your code from your hyperdoc. So I'm going to highlight that and Control-C. And I'm going to paste it here, Control-V. I'm going to hit Next. I'm going to fill out this information. Remember, I'm going to be celebrating my 21st, 49th birthday coming up. I can't wait. Type in your name. Oh my gosh, can I do it? You're going to type your Google username. You're going to create your password. You're going to click on you agree to the terms, and then you're going to click Next. It tells me my password must contain one number. So remember, you should be using your Google password because your Google password contains both words and numbers. Click Next. And then I'm going to click Get Started. I'm going to need headphones for this. I'm going to watch this module, this introduction, and then on the side here are going to be the 5 modules that I have to walk through. Each of those modules are going to be worth 100 points. Remember, your grade at the end of the module will be your grade for the grade. Remember, you can go back and rewatch this video as many times as you need. If you have any questions, come up and see us. Have fun and learn a lot.